In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI content research and auto-posting agent in n8n. We'll guide you through each step of the process so you can automate content creation and publishing effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open n8n. Once inside, look for the option to create a new workflow. This is where the magic starts unfolding. Name your new project appropriately. Something like AI Content Research Agent will serve as a helpful identifier and set the stage for all future automations within this workflow. The next decision you'll make is about triggering the workflow. There are several ways to start the process, and understanding your options can help you tailor it to your specific needs. Common choices include a schedule trigger, ideal for workflows running daily or hourly without manual intervention, a webhook for responses from external sites, a manual trigger for more controlled starts, or even a chat trigger. If your goal is automated content publishing, the schedule trigger is your go-to option. It ensures that your workflow launches at the designated time without requiring you to lift a finger. Now let's talk about incorporating an AI agent. This node is crucial as it will handle the research, writing, and even publishing tasks. Add an AI agent node to your workflow and connect it to the trigger you've just set up. This creates a seamless flow from start to finish, enabling the agent to kick into gear immediately when the workflow starts. The next essential component of your workflow is integrating a chat model. This is where you can choose from popular AI models such as OpenAI, Google Gemini, Anthropic Claude, and others like DeepSeek or Olema. Each has its strengths, so select the one that best matches your purpose. Remember to configure your API credentials carefully. This step ensures that your AI can access and process the information effectively. You'll want to ensure accuracy in these settings to avoid any hitches during your workflow's operation. To equip your AI agent with the ability to gather up-to-date information, you'll need to add a research tool. Options include web search tools like Perplexity or Serper API, and even Tavily or HTTP request for news and search APIs. By linking one of these tools to your workflow, you allow your AI to perform comprehensive research. This ensures the content not only matches your intent, but is also enriched with the latest information, and there you have it. By following these steps, you now have a fully operational AI content research and auto-posting agent within n8n. With everything set up correctly, you'll be able to automate content creation and publishing, allowing you to focus on more strategic tasks while your AI agent takes care of the rest. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!